Well, look at that. I just noticed that my mic was low. Thank God I noticed. But we did open up in different area for ES. We didn't have no gap. I want to remove this. We didn't have no gap, but we do have a gap for NQ, which was in discount. I'm gonna go ahead and mark up this 1 hour here. Below is 48.50, and then the close 42. There she goes. That's better. About for NQ, we do have $39.25. Have that there just in case. He just literally just tapped into, and she just, she just dropped. Anyways, we do have this one now we tapped into. So far, so good. If I even jump into this, I want to see if it wants to continue going down lower. On ES. Keep still pushing. Yeah, we're still pushing down lower. How low can you go? It's brick in the room, man. It gets really cold. Just wait a little bit. I said NQ is just dropping. There's more sell side on here. Oops. And Q is just going deeper and deeper. This is what I see basically. This is NQ and this is ES. This is where we open in NQ and discount, and for ES we open up up here, well here, which didn't really give up any huge gap. And then you guys can see it just went back into discount and it got in sync with NQ, which is what we wanted to see. So and we took out the low of London. I had this one out here prior to the opening. I mean, well, I had it, like I placed it yesterday around 12 just to see what was gonna happen, but it filled it both ways. Traded through and two, below and above. Still dropping. Let's see if I could get some sort of like FUG formed. She dropping. Okay, we're getting close to these previous day. Wow, now she wants to drop so aggressively. Jesus. Risking 200. Oh yeah, she wants to get in there though. Cause look at NQ, she already got all the way into that. Imagine a stop loss that big, bro. That's insane. It would be insane, bro. I put a limit order here just to see if it wants to get into that area. If it doesn't matter. Yeah, there's a small one here, but let's see. Like a really small one. Guess this was the one here. They about to reach previous day low. We still not in anything. Yeah, I'm trying to practice my patience, man. Because yes, we could have got into this if they started dropping. But I really want to just, obtain patience anywhere, any way, any form, where it's not leading to me, trying to, chase price. Because again, this is a 1 hour busy still, and it's about 14 minutes or 13 minutes before it's it's 10, and then it turns into an inversion. But again, we did hit this 1 hour up here. So this is our first present FEG, traded to and through, and then below it did it as well. Didn't want to take this sell here again because it's a 1 hour. I prefer just letting it go and seeing what price wanted it to do. It did tap into this small SIBI. Out of all of them, NQ is the one that's moving like I like NQ, how she moves. Sell side, about to reach into sell side, and the previous day for ES, which is definitely gonna go ahead and tap into it. So let's see what happens. Oops. Alright, now she's pushing higher. One more second. 51.50. Okay. stage buy here. A little late, but I'm still gonna risk 250. If it take us out, it take us out. Not gonna be the end of the world. $125. Like I said, whatever happens here happens. So I just want to look if she is gonna go ahead and push higher. My stop loss is there because that's 250, and that's where I was able to get in rather than having a stop loss there. So it did take us out. Yeah, 256. I still do like this. What time is it? About to be 6 minutes. About to be 10 to 6 minutes. So let's give it a little few seconds. Any possibility that she's not gonna give us a fill? Because I'm gonna be honest, price has been retarded lately. If y'all wanna be honest with you guys. Has been very, very retarded. Right now we did went for a buy, even though NQ was already filled both end. But I did it because we was in discount, and I wanted to see if NQ then started pushing higher after having, after returning back into this 1 hour busy. And you guys saw that I put my fib, and it only had reached the 50%, and it only wicked it. So I'm like, okay, maybe it wants to now go ahead and push from here, but it didn't. It's still pushing lower into the sell size. So because right now I don't want to be dealing with NQ. Stop loss is insane, so just leave her alone. Use her as guidance instead, rather than precisions. So let's see, maybe she wants to go ahead and take these previous day lows. We do have some relative equal lows down here. I wouldn't blame her if she does want to take those out. This has been very tricky lately, bro. So let's see. Two more minutes until 10. Okay. And this is there's liquidity. Bro. You see what I'm saying? Bro, you know what? I'm gonna just stay put, bro. I'm gonna wait because this is what I'm talking about. And I'm not even trying to make no excuse, but lately it's just been feeling like, and it's gonna feel like that. I know it is, that my model does not work. And this is where my psychology start kicking in and just start telling me, things that I don't want to hear. So, off this right here, I wanted to sell, and look what happened. It's insane, bro. Insane. Like, I'm not trying to make no excuse or anything, but bro, trading this month, I'll say maybe this month, this summer has just been tough, bro. Tough. Like, really tough, bro. Like, this shit is insane, gang. Like, just imagine people are just starting this shit, bro. Like, this is not it, gang. Like, I'm late. I'll be late to the move, and it's like, okay, nothing else happened. Interesting. So we have like an hour inversion here, a busy here. I mean, yeah, a busy here, inversion, 1 hour inversion. So it's like, okay, bro, what is your deal now? What is your deal? But this is already traded to the 50%. So it's like now, does it want to trade lower? Still try. Does it want to trade higher? Like, make up your mind, you fucker. And once it get here, it's shit, bro. Probably get another rejection from this here. Jesus, bro. Jesus. Give us strength, bro. Give me strength, bro. Piece of shit of fucking. I don't understand, bro. I turned on my AC and it's still cold. Jesus. My brain hurts. Cause I know she's gonna go up here. She might have a rejection from this first presented FUG again, and then maybe continue going back down lower. Cause this is a 1 hour inversion already. But like I said, bro, price has just been so freaking shitty, gang. Like so bad, like horrendous. Like out of the week, you probably have maybe like maybe 1 or 2 days, bro. That price is just moving to the T, and that's my goal, bro. Literally, that's my goal to just come to the market and then just looking and say, okay, today we're gonna have something. Like, I'll be okay just having one trade a week, just one good ass trade, bro. This is why it's so good to have multiple sources of income, because trading cannot be the only sources of income, bro. You'll go crazy, you'll go insane. So building multiple sources of income and then just coming back to trading and treating it like a bank, like you'd be like, oh, bet me, go ahead and withdraw $20. You know what I'm saying? Because it's not like we go to the bank every day. So it's like treating it like a bank, bro. That's like the goal, bro. So look, we just turn this into an inversion. Does it want to go ahead and move down lower? And does it want to come back into it? That'll be risky. Well, if it does want to come back into it, I'll leave it. This is the last trade here, bro. If it wants to come back into it, that'll be the last trade for me. If it doesn't, then I'll remove this limit. He just took out sell side for me in Q, bro. Jesus. Okay, so we did get tapped in. If we get taken out, bro, we are done, gang. We're done. We're gonna cut this shit short. Yeah. I don't know what just happened. Holy close up. There we go. Alright, so we done, bro. This is not it, bro. Down, yeah, this is not it, bro. This is not it. Like, I really, this is not it, bro. Jesus, bro. This shit's truly just. It's just ass, bro. This is so ass, bro. Can't make this up. Like, I know you lying. Like, that ass. You gotta be lying, bro. Yeah, I know you lying. It's FOMC tomorrow too, so I wouldn't be trading, bro.
How long?
I'll see you guys Thursday. And I decided to go back to not trading Fridays, just keeping that same rules, because I was only gonna be trading Fridays because I was doing the challenge, but nah, I'm gonna keep my rules of no trading Mondays and Fridays. And then it's gonna be no trading Wednesday because it's FOMC at 2 p.m. and I don't like trading on those days. One day prices usually just setting up. FOMC, NFP is just days that you gotta be cautious. Could be a whole bunch of surprise those days. Friday is just you can either get a reversal or price could continue moving towards how it started on Tuesday. Like it's a whole bunch of shit, bro, that can happen, bro. But that's the goal, bro. I might even like that ass, bro. I just want to. I'll be okay just one trade a week, bro. Made two. I bet that's calm. Three. I bet that's it is what it is. Just great setup, bro. You know, I since like literally I'm just gonna be raw with y'all, bro. Like I've been at this. I'm about to make August 19. I'm about to make like 7 years, and it's my psychology is just. It just need a lot of improvement. I'm just being straightforward, you guys. This is why I'm like just filming myself so that I could catch myself from not doing things. You know what I'm saying? Doing stupid shit. Like I know when I record myself, trading, like I'm like more calmer than when I don't. Like it's so weird, bro. So I'm trying every possible solution to fix my issue, bro. Cause sometimes I don't even got I'm telling you, sometimes I want to do a study case and I even have the strength to do it because it's like, bro, this is just it's hurting. This hurting my head, bro. Like this trading is not easy, bro. Anybody that tells you that trading is easy, run away. Like run away, bro. And I don't want to change my strategy because I know it works. It's my psychology. That's what it is. It's my psychology. Like right now, there's nothing going on. There's nothing going on. But when you're so into the market, you feel like every move like this, like big candle like this, that something's gonna happen. So you run to it. I run to it at times, like losing the plot. Like I literally just had to log out of the account, the challenge, just in case I do anything stupid. You know what I'm saying? We took some. We went along here. I believe we went short here. I believe so. I'm not sure. I know we took two longs and no, we went one long and two shorts. Yeah, so we went along after here. We did. I don't see where it was. I don't remember. I just know that I went along here just to see what was gonna happen, and then I had a limit order here, but it never got filled. This happened. Then we went along in this area here, and then yeah, can't make this shit up, bro. I'm out of dip. I'm gonna be honest. This is just hurting my brain. This is hurting my eyes, to be honest. I'm gonna highlight y'all, man. This just ain't shit going on here. I took 3 trades and they're both with booty and ass. Excuse my language, bro. But I'm gonna let y'all, man. As always, 5 P's, preparation, burn, performance. As always, be the first one in the room, the last one to leave. I'm gonna highlight y'all, man. This shit blow minds, bro. Peace.